In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wufoo shortcode plugin on your WordPress site. It's a handy tool that lets you easily embed Wufoo forms into your WordPress site using simple shortcodes, saving you the hassle of dealing with coding and integrations. Let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First things first, you'll need to install the Wufoo shortcode plugin. So let's head over to your WordPress dashboard where everything begins. You'll want to log into your WordPress admin panel. Once you're at the WordPress dashboard, you need to navigate to the Plugins section. Simply hover over the Plugins tab on the left-hand side, and then click on Add New. Now you're in the world of plugins, with countless options at your fingertips. In the search bar located on the top right corner, type in Wufoo shortcode. Your search result will pop up fairly quickly. Look for the plugin named Wufoo shortcode by wrong answers only. You'll see an Install Now button appear. Click on it and sit tight for a moment while WordPress does its thing. As soon as the installation is complete, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Hit that Activate button and you're ready for the fun part. Next up is embedding a Wufoo form using that handy shortcode functionality. To do this, you'll need to get an embed code from your Wufoo account. Log in with the appropriate credentials and head over to the Forms section within your Wufoo dashboard. Once you see all your forms, locate the form that you want to display on your site, and next to it, you'll see a button labeled Share Form. Go ahead and click on that. A variety of sharing options will pop up for you to choose from. Here, you want to specifically select the WordPress shortcode option. When you do, you'll be provided with a shortcode ready to go. Highlight that shortcode and copy it to your clipboard. Now, back over to your WordPress site where you want this form to appear. Decide whether it's on a post or page. Let's say you've figured that out. Go ahead and edit that particular page or post. Once you're in the editing mode, find the spot in the content area where you want your form to show up. Simply paste the copied shortcode right there in the content area. Now, you're almost done. If you've edited a page, click on Publish if it's new or Update if it already exists. For a post, you do the same. Hit Publish or Update depending on whether it's new or existing. And that's it. Your Wufoo form should now be live and kicking on your WordPress site, viewable by all visitors. Congratulations on a job well done. Wufoo shortcodes really do make things simple, so now you can enjoy the seamless integration of your forms. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.